Welcome to Pocket Tutorials.
Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about OpenShot interface. Interface is basically wherein which we interact with the software. So right now, OpenShot interface has menu bar. As you can see, it has a timeline over here, toolbar over here. This is the toolbar area. It has new project, then open project, save project, undo, redo, import files, choose profile, full screen and export video. This is the tab bar, file, edit, title, view, help. This is the menu bar area. This area over here is the project files area. You can just right click and import files from here. This is your video preview wherein you will be seeing your video. This is the timeline. This is the zoom area. The more you increase, the lesser it becomes in length. One by one, we will be going into detail of everything. This over here is add track, snapping, then razor tool, marker, previous marker, next marker, again zoom in, zoom out. After project files, we have over here transitions and then we have effects. By default, OpenShot always shows 5 tracks. So you can see track 5 is here, track 4 is here, track 2 is here, track 1 is here. So all you can do is you can just go ahead and you can add and delete tracks also from here. So this is the simplest view of OpenShot. We'll go into detail in the next lecture. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next lecture.
Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.